Okay, pupils, we are on Superminds Workbook Year 2 on page 85. Today we are going to learn some grammar. So number 1 here, activity 1. So we are on unit 7 basically. So number 1, activity 1, read and write the names. So we have 4 characters here and given answer. Number 3, Amy. So we read this sentence here. Amy is wearing a shirt. So this is because this is printed as grayscale. So maybe the skirt is white in color. So we have this shirt here, and then we have a sweater. So she is wearing a sweater. So she is wearing a skirt also, skirt, and then socks, and then shoes. So she is wearing a skirt, socks, and shoes. So this is Amy. And then the second sentence, so we have Terry. So Terry basically is a unisex names, meaning either boy or girl can have this name. So Terry. So in this picture here, we have Terry as a female or a girl. So Terry is wearing a cap, a shirt, and a sweater. So we have cap here, cap, and then a shirt and a sweater. She is wearing jeans, so jeans. So this is slightly black here. And then we have socks, which is inside, and shoes. So Terry, so this is Terry. Then sentence number 3, Claire is wearing a t-shirt and a jacket. So Claire, she is wearing a skirt. So we just left these 2 figures here. So if she is wearing a skirt, so obviously this is the answer. So we have Claire here, Claire, because she is wearing a skirt, socks, and shoes. So we have socks here and then shoes. So this is Claire. And then the final one, we have this, we call it Naomi. So many people pronounce it wrongly, so not Naomi. So this is Naomi. Naomi, we have here Naomi is wearing a shirt and a sweater. So we have shirt and then sweater. She is wearing jeans again. So same with Terry. So she is wearing jeans, socks, and then shoes. So we have here Claire, number 1, 2, Terry, 3, Amy, and then the final one, 4th, Naomi. So next we move on to activity 2. Activity 2, look at the pictures in activity 1. Tick correct. Tick the box. So you put a correct sign in either of these boxes here. So number 1, is Amy wearing a jacket? So Amy is not wearing a jacket. So Amy she's just wearing a shirt and a sweater, so no jacket. So the answer should be no, she isn't. So already given. Number 2, is Claire wearing a skirt? So we have Claire, maybe by looking at the sentence, Claire, we have skirt. So meaning this is the answer, yes, she is. So if you have question mark here, so you should answer yes or no. So at this stage here, yes, she is. Because Claire is a female or girl, so she is. We invert this one. So yes, she is. So Claire is wearing a skirt. And then number 3, is Terry wearing jeans? So Terry, and then we have jeans here. So the answer again is yes, she is. Or you can look at the pictures here. So Terry, she is wearing a jeans. Okay, number 3, yes, she is. And the final one, are Naomi and Amy wearing caps? So these two person here. So we only have a single person wearing a cap, so which is Terry. So obviously the answer is no. So no, they aren't. So that's it for this page. So we are on this Supermise workbook of year 2 on page 85. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here, and then right below this video there's a link, you can click it, you can join it.